How to Optimize Your Content with AI Content Optimization Complete Guide. We'll explore the power of AI in content creation and show you how to use AI tools for optimal results. First, let's understand what AI content optimization is. AI content optimization involves using artificial intelligence to enhance the quality, relevance, and performance of your content. AI tools can analyze data, understand user intent, and suggest improvements, making your content more engaging and effective. What is AI content optimization? To start optimizing your content with AI, you need the right tools. Some popular AI tools include Grammarly, ClearScope, and MarketMuse. These tools offer features like grammar checking, keyword analysis, and content scoring, helping you create high-quality content effortlessly. Popular AI tools for content optimization. One crucial aspect of AI content optimization is keyword research. Tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush use AI to analyze search data and identify the best keywords for your content. By incorporating these keywords naturally, you can improve your search engine ranking and attract more visitors. Keyword research with AI tools. Next, consider AI-driven content generation. Tools like OpenAI's GPT-4 can help you generate content ideas, write blog posts, or even create social media updates. These AI models understand context and can produce human-like text, saving you time and effort. AI-driven content generation. Another important aspect is content personalization. AI can analyze user behavior and preferences to deliver personalized content. For instance, platforms like HubSpot use AI to tailor content recommendations to individual users, enhancing their experience and engagement. Personalizing content with AI. Don't forget about content optimization for readability. AI tools like Hemingway Editor can analyze your writing for readability and suggest improvements. They highlight complex sentences and passive voice, helping you create clearer and more concise content. Enhancing readability with AI. AI can also optimize your content for different formats. Tools like Lumen 5 transform blog posts into engaging videos, while platforms like Descript can turn audio recordings into written transcripts. This versatility ensures your content reaches a broader audience. Multi-format content optimization. Finally, use AI to measure your content's performance. Analytics tools powered by AI, like Google Analytics and IBM Watson, provide insights into how your content is performing. They track metrics like engagement, click-through rates, and conversion rates, helping you refine your strategy. Measuring content performance with AI. In conclusion, AI offers a range of tools and techniques to optimize your content effectively. From keyword research and content generation to personalization and performance measurement, AI can transform your content strategy, making it more efficient and impactful. Thank you for watching our complete guide on AI content optimization. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on leveraging AI in your content creation process.